So, good morning again. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and to ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Marriage is given to us for the full expression of love between man and woman, so that the husband and wife may cherish and delight in one another, comfort, help each other in sickness, trouble, and sorrow, provide for each other in temporal things, pray and encourage each other, and live together faithfully in the length of their days. Sige ako, before we proceed, may I ask kung may kakontra sa wedding? No awan? Let us continue. Okay? Patayo lang, tandaan ako. Ma'am Floribel, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be?
Yes.
Okay. Sir Mert Owens, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Thank you. Kayong dalawa, you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed?
Yes.
Okay. I ask you now in the presence of these people to declare your intention to enter in union with each other. Mert Owens, will you have Floribel to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Floribel, will you have Mert Owens to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, and be faithful to him as long as you shall live?
Yes, I will.
Okay. Sing. Stop. Anyway, tataman garod, messages from your parents. Muna tayo pili, madam. Sumama kay Chay.
Message ko. And then, ano na, kahit po mga naurnos na pamilya, kagulaan na, si kayo, natalaga, ito tinagaron nga, aldaw, kasaryo, kaya sabay ko nga na, awang kuha niya makikita nga, nag-apa, naurnos na ako mga pamilya, nagulaan na, siguro, at tuloy nga, naging nagayo kayo ano, siguro ka, hindi, sumilin ko nga, sabi ko nga, tumtik-tumag lang, kaya pinagin na, duwa, kaya, nanuran na, madang kayo kung hati may sabi.
Yes.
Amen.
Dapat naman, na may pwede ba na? Payo, wish kin nagkakyak kasal.
I-wish ko kanya yung anak ko at saka yung mata. Agtagin na yun, love tito munggal may sa hangkay nga gab apa tapno awan iti tapno na pinpintas ti dinay sakay ko mata na ako Diyos ti kanayon nga magdi katwa kanayon tapno maiwasan na iti banag na maikaniwas ket sakay ko mata karami kiti ading lagos tapno kasta na pinpintas mo lang no ba no buot yung family mo members of the family. Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Sumama tayo di likod. Lagi din ilaw to your friends and family. But wish if payo kayo dyan kasama. Ay, madam.
Una, congratulations kung kapatid. Ang gusto ko sa inyong dalawa yun yan, yung sinabi din nila na nakaroon kayo ng bundle of joy. At saka, ang gusto ko sa inyo, tuloy-tuloy ang pamamahala ninyo. although natural lang na meron din arguments, pero kaya nyo i-handle yun para hindi mag-rock down ang inyong kasama. Congratulations. God bless.
Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. At sana maging matibay ang inyong pagsasama at maging masaya. At lagi natin isipin na ang Panginoon na lagi natin isa-isip at isa-puso para sa mga maging matibay ang inyong pagsasama. Congratulations!
Thank you, ma'am. Check. Sige, sir. Nakik-wish you. Thank you. May tapay yung anak. Nadia, ada tapay? Diyan likod. Anong... Sige, good. Anyway, sumama kayo doon. Ikaw ang GM na, Owens. Both hands.
Thank you also kasi although we are healthier long sa relationship, kaya trust mo kanya and love mo kanya kaya dapat malaya since sumagpunta ka ng nangulay di kapopera nakita, take care mo, love mo kanya and I salute you ganda ko mag-spread mo kanya and timak na I'm not a perfect woman pero I promise you that I will love you, support you, and respect you, and I will be a loyal wife to you, and I'll do my best to be your best partner in life. And I will love you till the rest of my life. I love you.
Thank you. Very good. Now, Merk Owen Smith, from the heart mo, at ang nagkayat mo, di ba, to your wife?
Thank you for coming to my life. Tapos, thank you for the unconditional love. Ayun. Very thankful ako dahil dumating ka na. Tapos, thank you dahil ang times na wala ka, mahirap ka, times na kailangan mo ng isang taong makampi. Nandiyan ka. Yeah, thank you dahil dumating ka sa buhay ko. And then, wala ko na ako may papangako sa iyo na everything, pero gagawin ko lahat para maging kapag-aral para sa iyo. Okay. Love you.
Thank you very much. Hawakan mo lang kami. Gawa na ima. Okay? By the virtue of the powers of vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have been contracted into and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Yeah, okay, now, please subscribe.
Finally!
Sumunod ka talaga dahil. Okay, nagiging witness ako, babalik. ay nag-witness kay firmado di marriage certificate, isa mo, certificate of witnesses tayo. Kaya review for picture taking. Workouts. Workout. Congratulations. Picture taking tayo. With the parents. With the parents. Parents. Okay. Masipay na, nagkaka-holding hands sila. Hinong-hina, hinong-hina.